The way Chat GPT has changed the world, revolutionized technology, and unlocked opportunities is absolutely astonishing. At least for us, folks, we're back with more steal deals like we promised. And oh, you do not want to miss out on this, trust us. Whether you're a student looking for a part-time gig or an entrepreneur looking for a new income stream, ChatGPT got your back, and so do we. So, sit back, relax, because we'll be turning some tables here, exploring you through some of the most unconventional ways to make money using ChatGPT. Let's dive right in. But before we get started, let us ask you a question. Have you ever thought about making money while chatting with people online? I mean, who wouldn't want to get paid for something they do every day, right? First up, let's start with the most obvious way: chatting. Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT pays you for every chat you have with their customers. You can earn anywhere from 10 cents to $1.50 per chat, depending on the complexity of the chat and the amount of time you spend chatting. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills or qualifications to get started. See how simple is this? A simple daily habit that is now turned into a lucrative business. So if you're someone who enjoys chatting with people online and has good communication skills, you can sign up with ChatGPT as a chat agent, where you'll be responsible for answering customer queries, providing technical support, and resolving customer issues through chat. ChatGPT provides training to their agents, and once you're trained, you can start earning money right away. Next up, affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a social media following, you can earn commissions by promoting ChatGPT's services. And the best part is, you don't need to have a large following to get started. Even if you have just a few hundred followers, you can still make money with affiliate marketing. Want to see how? Your blog or a social media page will require you to share tips on how to make money online. You can promote ChatGPT's services and include your affiliate link in your posts. If someone signs up for ChatGPT through your link and starts using their services, you'll earn a commission. It's a win-win situation for both you and ChatGPT. An unconventional way is transcription. ChatGPT provides transcription services to businesses, and they are always on the lookout for talented transcribers. If you have a good ear for accents and a fast typing speed, you can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per minute of audio transcription. Yes, crazy, right? So if you're someone who enjoys listening to podcasts or watching videos, you can use your transcription skills to make money with ChatGPT. Sign up with ChatGPT as a transcriber, and they'll send you audio files that need to be transcribed. All you need to do is listen to the audio and type out what you hear. It's a great way to make money while doing something you enjoy. Next up, virtual assistant services. If you're a multitasker and love to help others, you can make money by providing virtual assistant services to ChatGPT's clients. As a virtual assistant, you'll be responsible for managing clients' schedules, booking appointments, answering emails, and more. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $20 per hour, depending on the complexity of the tasks and the amount of time you spend on them. For example, if you're someone who's good at managing social media accounts, you can offer social media management services through ChatGPT and start earning money by helping businesses and entrepreneurs manage their social media presence. Another great way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering translation services. Businesses and individuals are always on a lookout to communicate with people who speak different languages. If you're fluent in more than one language, you can sign up with ChatGPT as a translator and start earning money by translating documents, videos, and audio files. You can also offer book translation services through ChatGPT. ChatGPT has partnerships with publishers who are always looking for translators to translate books into different languages. Wasn't that easy? Let's have a look at YouTube video content. Chat GPT can literally generate entire scripts for your YouTube video. That's one way. Another thing that not many people know is that Chat GPT is always looking for talented creators who can produce engaging and informative videos on a variety of topics. For example, if you're someone who's passionate about science, you can create videos for Chat GPT's YouTube channel that explain complex scientific concepts in an easy-to-understand way. Chat GPT pays their video creators per video, and the pay rate varies depending on the length and complexity of the video. Next we have creating illustrations. If you're someone who's skilled at creating illustrations, you can make money with Chat GPT by offering your services as an illustrator. Chat GPT provides illustration services to businesses that need high-quality illustrations for their marketing materials. Even though Chat GPT can't create images on its own, there is a trick we'll share with you. To produce appealing graphics and written content, an illustrator collaborates closely with the content and marketing teams. You only need two tools for this: Chat GPT and DALL-E, both of which are offered by OpenAI. While DALL-E can create visuals for you, Chat GPT will provide you with highly appealing written content. Nothing can stop you from being rich, my friends. Last but not the least, AI-powered HR services. Chat GPT provides HR services to businesses that are looking to streamline their HR processes and improve employee engagement. You can use Chat GPT to offer virtual HR services such as recruitment, employee onboarding, and much more. Chat GPT will connect you with businesses that are looking to improve their HR processes, and you can start earning money by creating AI-powered HR solutions for them. Now, isn't that super easy? The best part is, you can start making money right away, without any upfront investment or special skills. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Chat GPT's website and sign up today to start earning money from the comfort of your home. Want to hear more from us? You know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy earning.